Hey guys, Joe here, 690 ADV, 690 Garage. Here's your 2 minutes or less tip of the day. We already talked about tires. We talked about basically trying to prevent them from cupping, keeping air pressures in them, taking them up and taking them down. Well, guess what I didn't tell you about? Oh, a whole nother segment. This is one of my nice little hideaway features. When I air my tires down, what I like to do, kablamo, in my tank bag. You can pick these up at Home Depot, by the way. I got mine at Christmas. It's so super cool. Check this out. That is a hand pump. It's a high pressure hand pump. It's basically got a nice little sleeve that I can screw in so I can put it in at any angle, and then I can hook it up here at the top right here. Bammo. Basically up there. This thing will pump up to like 200 psi. So I'm airing my tires down and airing them back up on the trails. Guess what? Air up, air down. Air for the road, down it out for the off-road. I'm telling you, this little husky pump, and you can probably pick up any type of variant from other places too. Just telling you where I got mine. Got mine at Home Depot, and it's fabulous. I'm telling you what, it's really awesome. I don't have to carry anything bulky. It fits right here in my tank bag. I just stuff it right there with my WD-40. You know I love WD-40. It's kind of like my MacGyver type of deal. But I'm telling you, for your tires, can't beat it. I'm telling you right now, make sure you carry a little mini pump with you on your trips. You will thank yourself. Basically for this, and it works with anything. This is the BMW FE 100 GSA. It works on any bike because it'll pump up any tire. So guess what? 2 minute tip or less. This is yours. Have a great day.